back to our YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, Cybernetics, we are going to share to you on how we are going to produce a opaline cremino. So to be able to produce this mutation, you must have a pair of par blue opaline split ino cock cross into blue opaline split ino hen. So another pair of pairing, we have par blue split opaline split ino cock cross to albino hen. Then we have another pairing, possible pairing. So we have a green opaline split ino split par blue cock cross it to par blue opa split ino hen. So we have also another pairing. We have a green split par blue split ino split opa cock cross it to green opaline split ino split par blue hen. So we have also a albino split opa cock cross it to par blue opa split ino hen. We have also a lutino split par blue split opaline cock cross it to cremino hen.